from befriending other people that have lost a child, you really, really don't understand it unless it happens to you. And it would have to happen to you. And I don't wish that on anyone. There's such a massive void in the house. Like, her wellies are still in the basket where she left them. You open the press, her camogie boots are still there. I can't take her, delete her bit by bit. She's still, her room is still there as she left it. And you live with that every day, even though you know she's not. Yeah, and we've a little digital photo frame on the side that all these pictures pass by. And when we sit down at night, I'd often say to Ollie, like, how is she such a big part of our lives and now she's not here? And then it brings me to ask myself, how did we get out of bed today, and how did we function, and how did we do as much as we do? And you get this guilt of living and functioning. Yeah. But then Farrah Rose deserves.
Yeah.
Your baby is still here.
Yeah.
And she goes to a garden.
It's so beautiful. It is. It's so beautiful. The night that we laid her to rest, a neighbour said to me, "Oh, I love Saoirse's garden." And I said, "Oh my God, what a lovely name." And it was there and then I decided that that's what we'd call it. I think it just took that coldness away from grave, and, you know, I just thought for a child it was more fitting. So we've done as much as we can. You know, we make it pretty with flowers, and we organised for a little bench because lots of people were coming to visit and they were sending us DMs on Instagram. And then we thought, God, people have nowhere to sit. So Farrah Rose loves to pop down, say her prayers. And there's a little post box, which was my dad's idea, because people were leaving letters and drawings for Farrah Rose, and maybe notes for us, or maybe a note for Saoirse. They just wanted to leave their thoughts on paper, but they were getting wet. So my dad said to me, you know, we should put in a little letterbox just to mind the things. So she loves going down and opening the letterbox. There could be sweets or a little card.
It's such a beautiful thing that you have done.